There's nothing quite like the waterfront. Am I right? Well, your waterfront lot could take a turn for the worse come springtime, turning your basement into an indoor pool. There's nothing funny about seasonal flooding, and if you don't know you're on a floodplain until it's too late, you could be in for some serious trouble. Many floodplain lots don't qualify for home insurance and could cost you a fortune to remediate. Use a local realtor to make sure you know the seasonal history of a lot. And make sure your springtime stays sunny instead of soggy.